Hello, my name is Dr. Matthew Boyce, Vice President for Enrollment at the University of Puget Sound. Couldn't be happier than to welcome you to our campus today. Signs with QR codes are located throughout the campus to give you an inside look at a variety of different spaces. Our goal is to provide you a fuller introduction to our beautiful campus facilities and show you what the library, athletics and aquatic center, residence halls, and many more spaces have to offer. Scan the accompanying QR code outside the Welcome Center for a digital map showing you the location of every decal on campus. Or you're welcome to simply just wander around. Feel free to enjoy all these videos for a comprehensive experience or mix and match to fit your own interests. Once you've had a chance to see campus this way, head to pugetsound.edu/admission for more information about the university, including steps to apply or accept your offer of admission. Thanks for your interest.